Hey everyone, I'm Jerry Joseph and today's topic is one that splits the room. Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code. For some, it's a lifeline. For others, it's a loaded gun. So, let's ask the tough question. Misuse, myth or reality? We are going to explore this through real case laws, human stories, practical advice, and a journey into justice that might surprise you. Because this isn't just about law, it's about lives. Section 498A was introduced in 1983 with a single moral cry: protect women from cruelty in marriage. And rightly so, dowry deaths, harassment, and domestic abuse have left courts shocked and society bleeding. It gave teeth to justice. Under this section, any cruelty by a husband or his relatives, physical, emotional, or mental, could lead to imprisonment up to 3 years. As they say, every law is a double-edged sword. In the wrong hands, it cuts not only the guilty but the innocent. Let me tell you about Shivangi Bansal versus Sahib Bansal of 2025, a recent Supreme Court case. The couple, embroiled in multiple complaints, dragged each other into legal warfare. The husband was jailed for 109 days, his elderly father for 103 days. Eventually, after long litigation and emotional damage, the court quashed the criminal cases. But not before lives were scarred. The court took the unusual step of ordering an apology, not just to the husband, but published in newspapers and social media. Now pause, ask yourself, what does that level of public correction say about misuse? In a landmark move, the Supreme Court recently revived the Allahabad High Court's 2022 guidelines, citing a cooling off period of 2 months before any arrests under Section 498A. No arrest for 2 months after FIR. Mandatory referral to a Family Welfare Committee or FWC. FWCs are made of neutral mediators, retired judges, young lawyers, or social workers. The goal: dialogue is greater than detention. After 2 months, only if no resolution is found can coercive legal action proceed. This isn't just law, it's legal empathy in motion. And it's rooted in Rajesh Sharma versus State of Uttar Pradesh in 2017, where the court first acknowledged misuse and called for non-coercive mechanisms. But even this was walked back in 2018, the Social Action Forum case, only now to be revived. A legal roller coaster, yes, but a necessary one. Here's a metaphor I want you to hold on to. A matchstick can light a lamp or burn a house down. Laws are tools, but when relationships break down, laws often become weapons. I've personally witnessed families where a false 498A crushed not just the accused, but the children, the grandparents, even friendships. And yet, I've also seen 498A save women trapped in silent, ongoing torment. So, where does the truth lie? In the grey, in the nuance, in the need to pause before we prosecute. If you're a woman facing genuine abuse, file a complaint, but also consider mediation early. Evidence and clarity matter. Don't be afraid to speak, but also don't let pain become vengeance. If you're a man wrongly accused, cooperate but don't panic. Ask for referral to the Family Welfare Committee. Document your communications, gather evidence, and respect the legal process. Focus on resolution, not retaliation. And for families, use the 2-month cooling off wisely. Anger clouds judgment. Mediation might just be your parachute. Friends, the law is not about taking sides, it's about taking responsibility. Section 498A is not the villain. Misuse is. Let's not let fear of false cases silence genuine victims. And let's not allow broken relationship to manufacture criminality. The courts have given us time, 2 months, to breathe, reflect, reconcile. Use that time because once anger walks into the courtroom, peace may not walk out. If this video gave you insight, don't just scroll past. Like, share and subscribe. Drop a comment if you have experienced this law, either side of the line. Let's turn our stories into a mirror for society. And remember, justice isn't about law, it's about wisdom. Until next time, stay aware, stay empowered. This is Jerry Joseph signing off. Take care. Bye.